Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is cool, makes one right here, and basically what this is a set of luggages. So the one that we got right here, it comes in a 3-piece. So there's like a large, there's a medium, and there's like a small size. So I'm assuming like the small size is for sure like a carry-on, but the medium one, I'm not too sure. Let me actually open this up and show you guys what the product looks like. Alright, so when you guys first open the product right here, it's all well protected. Let me show you what I mean. Alright, let's see that is basically what the packaging looks like. Let's take it out. Alright, so you see that once we take it out, this is basically what the packaging looks like. So they only give you guys one suitcase in here because there's 3 of them inside. So I'm actually open up and show you guys what the product looks like inside. Alright, so we take it out and see that this is basically what the product looks like. So they do have the handle option right here. And right here they do have the TSA lock. So you guys can definitely use that if you guys want to. But right now we already have the code set. So we press the button right here. That will unlock it. But before we unzip it and show you guys inside, I want to show you guys the other part on here first. So unlock this back in. If we turn it to this side, you guys can see that this is basically what the wheel looks like. So these are rotatable 360, so you can definitely move it however you guys want to and not just one direction, which is definitely super awesome. So that way you guys don't have to lean the luggage forward. I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. When you guys feel the material on the luggage, it's definitely pretty high quality. Let me flip it to the other side. Alright, so when you flip it on this side, you guys can see they do have the non-slip material here, and here. So that way if you guys want to flip the luggage this way on the floor, you can definitely do that as well. It won't move when you guys flip on this side because of non-slip material right here. When we turn it on this side right here, you guys can see that there's another handlebar option right here. So you can definitely use the handlebar on this side or you can use the one on here. And then right here is a little button where you guys can actually pull it and take it out. You guys can see this is how far it can go. And then when you guys are done using it, you guys can pull it back in just like that. Very easily. So for the TSA lock right here, you guys can actually change the combo by turning it left and right. And the way how you guys reset the code right here is by pushing on the button on top. So I'm not sure if you can see in the video now, but there's that little thing right there. So you want to press that and then you guys want to reset the actual combo on here. Let me show you guys how to do that. Once you guys lock it in, you guys want to get like a paper clip or something so that way you can just poke it down. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but I actually poke down that little button right there. So what you want to do now is to change the combination to whatever you guys want. So let's say if I change the number to like 888. Alright, so let's say I want to keep it on 888. Then what I want to do is press on this button right here. And then once you guys press on that button, the actual button on top will pop up and that's your new combination that you want to use. So if I try to change the combo, let me show you guys what happened. So if I try to use 000, which is the original code, if you try to press the button, it doesn't work because we changed the combo to 888 now. So we press 888, it works. So if you guys want to change back the combo to 000 or a different combination, you guys want to do the same thing where you guys push on that little button right there. But that's basically how you guys use the combination lock right there. So now let me flip it back the other side and show you guys what's inside. Alright, so open this part here. Alright, let's open up and see what the inside looks like. Alright, so you see it's all well protected and everything, and this is the sucking luggage inside. So the one outside is 28. And this one is 24. So they mentioned for the big one right here, if you guys want to use the biggest luggage, that one will last you guys 7 to 9 days of how much stuff you have to put inside. Whereas for this one right here, it will last you guys 4 to 7 days, depending on how much stuff you guys pack and how you guys actually pack it inside. So I'm actually taking this out so I can show you guys what the inside looks like for the 28-inch one. Alright, so for the 28-inch, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it's definitely very spacious. There's a lot of stuff right here. And then you guys can zip up the compartment right here if you guys want to. And then once you guys zip that up, you do have another mesh compartment right here. So you guys can put like your underwear, your socks, or whatever you guys want to put on here. And then right here, some more protective layers. Let me flip it to the other side so you can see what this part looks like. Alright, so when you flip it to this side, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like right here. So you can definitely put all your like your clothes, like your jacket or whatever, and when you guys are done, you guys can just flip it in like this. And you can definitely make this tighter or looser based on your own preference like that, if you guys want to. And that's basically what it looks like in the inside. If you can see, it's definitely very spacious. So you can definitely put a lot of stuff on here. And then once you guys are done with this one, you guys can close it back up. And then you guys want to zip it back up. So that is the first one. Let me show you the next one. Alright, so here's the next one. This one's the 24-inch one. But this one's definitely a little bit smaller than the other one, but it's still pretty big as well. Let's take out the wrapper first. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for this one right here. So everything is basically the same thing, only the size is a little bit different. So I'm actually open this up as well and show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so when we open up, you guys can see that there's another luggage inside. And this is the smallest one, which is 20-inch. Let me take this out first. Alright, so we're gonna take a look at this one right here. It's basically the same design. Definitely very spacious here as well, so you guys can put whatever you guys want. And then they have a zipper compartment right here. So once you guys zip that up, you guys open up this part right here and put stuff in the mesh area right here. So that's literally the same thing as the other one as well. If I flip it to the other side, this is basically what it looks like right here. So same concept, same everything. You guys can definitely put a lot of stuff right here. And you do have this clip option right here to lock it in. Once you guys lock it in, you guys can tighten it or loosen it up. So that way you can keep all your clothes like organized and compressed into the actual bag. So you can put more stuff if you guys want to as well. And then once you guys are done, you guys can close it back up. And then zip it back up. And that's basically what it looks like for this one right here. Now let me open the last one right here. So this one right here is the smallest one. So this is the 20-inch. So I believe this one is a carry-on size. So you can definitely carry this onto the plane if you guys want to. And the dimension for this one is for 1 to 4 days. So let's open it up first. Alright. So this is what it looks like for this one right here. If you can see, everything is basically the same thing. Same material, super lightweight. Also have the non-slip material on the side, so you guys can tilt it this way and put it on the ground this way. Or you guys have the 4 wheels to use that option as well. Also has the handlebar option and a TSA lock right here. Top part also has the handlebar as well. And also has this option here, where you can pull it out. You guys notice this one is much longer because this one's smaller, so you do need a longer handlebar to actually carry it around. Let me open the inside and show you guys what this one looks like. So when you guys open up this one, this is basically what it looks like for this one. So same thing, they do have the compartment right here, where you can put stuff inside right here. And then once you guys are done, you guys can zip it back up. And then right here, same thing, they do have the mesh pocket right here. So you can definitely put like your socks, your underwear, and everything else. Whereas the other side here is very spacious for you guys to put whatever you guys want. And they do have the little clip option right here to make it tighter as well. So definitely see all 3 sides are basically the same design, where everything looks the same thing. Only difference is the size of the product. One of them is a large, one of them is a medium, and one of them is small. The large and medium is mostly like a check-in bag, where the small one right here is a carry-on bag. We can definitely see all 3 of them look pretty high quality and actually works pretty well. But I'm actually bring this over to somewhere else so you can definitely see a different point of view of the product. And also show you guys how the wheel works on the bottom, and then we'll come back and talk more about that in a second. Alright, so you see that these are 3 sizes that come in the whole set. So here's a small, here's a medium, and here's a large. So this one is 20, this is 24, and this is 28. So all of them work really well if you guys want to use the 360 spinner wheels. So I want to move this way, however you guys want to use it, that's up to you guys. So they all work the same way. Same thing for this one as well. That way it actually makes it a lot easier for you guys to carry your luggage when you guys are traveling. So that way you guys are not forced to just moving up and down like this. But you guys can just have it like this and just carry you guys like that if you guys want to. In terms of on the side right here that I talked about earlier, you guys can go like this. You guys can carry it like this if you guys want to. Or you can carry it right here. And you can put it down on the ground like this. Same thing for these as well. You can put it right on top of that if you guys want to, and just stack both of them on top of each other. And then obviously for this part here, you're going to pull it up. And that's how high each one goes, if you can see. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you have a quick test of the product. You can definitely see it actually does work and it works quite well. I actually really like this set a lot because they give you guys all 3 sizes, like a large, a medium, and small. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we're unboxing and testing on the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this whole set, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you guys want to get like all 3 sizes, like a large, medium, and small. If you guys are planning to travel anytime soon, then this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.